Hey, what's up guys? This is Dan the 25 man.
And Blue Coast Pizza Poops.
So this is part 2 of our Rocky Mountain Toy Train Show, the shopping.
Yep. And so we're going to take a look at some of these vendors and see what they have to offer.
Oh yeah, let's get right into it.
Alright. So we got some nice roundhouse locomotives right here. Very nice. Old-time steamers. 440s.
A lot of expensive stuff too, look at that.
No, that's not too bad, but you know, yeah, it's not good, but you know, yeah, it's pretty good.
Yeah.
But see, they have a lot of Athearn right here.
I got some signs here, some kind of old signs.
Yep.
And look at this, railroad. The railroad crossing.
Some Bachman plastic field down here.
Got an old video here. Thomas and a special letter.
So here we have an old K-Line girls train.
Very interesting colors.
And some Coca-Cola cars.
Coca-Cola Diesel and other Coca-Cola products.
Fanta.
Diet Coke.
Very nice.
Oh yeah.
Here's the booth for DHS Diecast. These guys have a great website and they're selling a lot of their TWH models here.
Everything's functional.
Some of these I own. Some of these I do not. Nice truck crane over there. 5-axle truck crane.
Well, this is something you don't see every day. Campbell's Soup Truck, Budweiser Beer Truck, and of course, Hershey's Chocolate. And look at the year. 1900 to 2000, right there on the end. So we got some old discontinued Ertl stuff. Face to face. These are some really old from like the 90s. Here's an engine I've never even heard of. Well, there's try the old wooden cranky with a different face. Look at this guy. Come here, what for? Hey guys, so we found this box. It's got some paintings that are really rare. It's from collector's style. And here we found one from Thomas Percy and the Dragon. Okay guys, well, this is a surprise. Look what I found all the way out here in America. A Hornby open wagon. It is so cool. The white wheels, the detail, it's brown, and it's got this face that kind of makes it look like a girl in my opinion. But it's so cool. I mean, this is so amazing. Finding this rare piece of rolling stock here in America, all the way out from England.
We'll give him nonsense, giggled the freight cars. But they followed so quietly that Percy thought they were under control. Suddenly, they saw a notice ahead. All trains stopped to pin down brakes. Beep, beep. Brakes, conductor, please. But before he could check them, the freight car surged ahead. On, they cried. Help, help, whistled Percy.
Well guys, so comes the end of another show, the Rocky Mountain Toy Train Show. We've covered a lot today. Showed you the shopping and the layout. And here's one last look. There was so much we covered today.